I have always believed that spirituality is linked to the element of air. That was proven during our exploration of major cities in Thailand. Bangkok, of course, but also the former capital city of Ayutthaya and the mighty Chiang Mai in the north. Despite the constant bustle of the streets, we could feel the sacred essence in the air, especially when wandering in the many temples. The intricate patterns and vibrant colors of the temples, visible from a bird's eye view, underscore the profound spirituality embedded in every detail. We even witnessed many monks engage in quiet contemplation and prayers, releasing their intentions into the air like delicate offerings to the heavens. This experience was so different from what I can feel at home, and it captivated my senses in a very particular way. The air resonates with the rhythmic chants, creating an atmosphere of tranquility that invites all, regardless of background, to take part in a spiritual journey. But Thailand offers many other treasures to those willing to explore.